Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me. A few days ago, we did a spotlight on Rose Geek, and we just talked about, simple things like how to get to the description, how to reach out to me, the Facebook page where that's located, the Amazon store and what's in it. And I asked you all for constructive feedback. I took away so many notes and I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to a lot of those video ideas that you all sent forward for next season. I updated my store with a few things that you noted would be nice. I updated the Teespring site with some of the merchandise that you asked for. And I do really appreciate all of those kind comments. I read every single one, and it makes my day, and you guys make me smile. So I appreciate that. Before we get into the winner for the Evelyn drawing, I want to make sure that you all saw the video that I put out yesterday on a project that we're working on. But it looks like everybody is very supportive. I'm encouraged as we all come together as Rosarians that we're going to be able to keep these hard to find roses in circulation and make sure we keep that price down. So let's go ahead and get into our drawing and find out who is going to win the Evelyn. The winner is Dad in the Yard. I love propagation, so I'm all for your idea about the cuttings. I love the Facebook group. I thank you for wanting all of us to be successful, and thank you for the fact that if you don't have an answer for a question, you hunt it down. I really wish I had an Evelyn for everyone. And so, Dad in the Yard, now I'm passing the baton to you. You need to help me get these roses back into circulation. So this video ends our giveaway series for now. But I do plan on next season making that a priority to keep on giving away roses. And I will keep on hunting down those Evelyns and those hard to find roses. But the one thing that I want you to know is that every year there's going to be another hard to find rose. When I reached out to David Austin and asked them if they were ready to announce any roses that they were discontinuing, what they said to me was, "We're not discontinuing any roses this year. We're just not selling them in the next season." And that kind of gives me hope that they're not closing the door on roses. And let's hope they don't do that again. Let's hope they don't discontinue any roses again, because we've all proven that we want them all. Between now and the end of the year, I think it's going to be about one video a week that I'm planning, and there's some fun stuff in there. So if I don't talk to you again before Thanksgiving, I hope everybody has a wonderful Thanksgiving. Enjoy time with family. And we'll get together again after the holiday. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.